everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just starting your tech journey or looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate list of resources that will take you from a beginner to a tech wizard. Let's dive in. First up, online learning platforms. These are your go-to spots for structured courses. Coursera and edX offer courses from top universities like MIT and Stanford. Udemy and Pluralsight are great for practical, project-based learning. And don't forget FreeCodeCamp and Khan Academy for free, high-quality content. Visual cut-to-screen recording of Coursera and FreeCodeCamp websites. Next, coding practice platforms. You can't become a tech wizard without hands-on practice. LeetCode and HackerRank are perfect for sharpening your coding and problem-solving skills. Code Wars makes learning fun with gamified challenges. And if you're into web development, Frontend Mentor is a must-try for real-world projects. Alright, now let's take a look at some coding practice platforms. Here's a glimpse of the LeetCode interface, which is fantastic for algorithm practice. And over here we have Code Wars, known for its engaging coding challenges. These platforms are great for honing your coding skills. Now let's talk about YouTube channels. These are gold mines for free knowledge. Traversy Media for web development. The Net Ninja for everything from JavaScript to DevOps. Fireship for quick, bite-sized tech tutorials. And Computerphile for deep dives into computer science concepts. And here are some examples of those YouTube channels in action. You'll see how Traversy Media breaks down complex web development topics, how the Net Ninja covers a wide range of tech skills, Fireship's quick tutorials, and Computerphile's in-depth explorations. These channels can really boost your learning journey. Don't forget about podcasts. They're perfect for learning on the go syntax for web developers, Darknet Diaries for cybersecurity enthusiasts, and Software Engineering Daily for in-depth tech discussions. Now, let's take a look at some popular podcast apps that can help you get started. Books are still one of the best ways to learn. Here are my top picks: Clean Code by Robert C. Martin for writing better code, You Don't Know JS by Kyle Simpson for mastering JavaScript, and The Pragmatic Programmer for timeless programming wisdom. Alright, let's dive into some fantastic book recommendations. These are must-reads for anyone looking to expand their knowledge and skills. First up, we have Clean Code by Robert C. Martin. This book is a treasure trove of insights on writing cleaner, more efficient code. Next, there's The Pragmatic Programmer by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas. It's packed with practical advice and tips for programmers at any level. And of course, we can't forget Design Patterns by Eric Gamma and others. This classic provides a deep understanding of design solutions that have stood the test of time. So whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your expertise, these books are definitely worth checking out. Communities are also key to your growth. Join these: Stack Overflow for troubleshooting, GitHub for collaborating on open source projects, Reddit's r/Learn Programming, and Dev.to for connecting with other developers. Visual cut-to-screen recording of GitHub and Reddit. Finally, here are some bonus tips. Build projects. They're the best way to apply what you've learned. Contribute to open source. It's a great way to gain real-world experience. Stay consistent. Even 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. And that's it. These resources will set you on the path to becoming a tech wizard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments which resource you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.